Who's about to film? Who's about to film me? Who's about to film? Who's about to film me? What's up, Tribe Squad? It's your girl Shandizen101. Welcome back to my channel, girl. Yes, I'm back with another bomb-ass wig review, girl. So I hope you guys like this video. Let's hop into it. Just got out of breath moving around like that. Let's go ahead and get into this wig review. Before I go any further, this wig review is a collaboration with IVD's channel. Make sure you guys check out her channel once you're done watching mine. She is a YouTuber as well. She makes wig reviews and she makes them for beginners. Very easy to follow along with, so check out her channel once you're done. It'll be linked at the very end of this video. So like I said, once you're done, tell her Shandy sent you.
This is only the beginning. Rose gold. For your birthday, would you like that? I know you like that. Yeah.
Alright guys, so I know you're loving the vibe session right now. Make sure you don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's the only way YouTube knows how to share my videos, so I would appreciate the love. Now, truth be told, Tribe Squad, right here, you could probably stop with, like, the customization to this wig. It's honestly fine. But, you know, your best friend Shan got to do a little extra, sis. So here I am with my hot comb again. There is a link down below, and if you want to order it, just means that I get a small commission because I told you where to find it, girl. That's all. But this is what I pretty much did. I did go in with a little bit of mousse because, listen, we're going to talk about the curls here in a moment. Whoo, child. We're going to talk about it. Let's get to the key here in a minute. I'm guessing maybe there's like two types of styles that you could be getting from this wig. I don't know. I don't feel like I ever got the option of the other style. I felt like it was always this style, and then I'm just over here right now like... Okay guys, I'm coming at you with a very beginner friendly wig. This is something I am definitely recommending for beginners and also people who may want a more natural looking wig. This is so great and it's easy. It's easy, sis. Alright guys, now you already know on my channel, I love a plop and go. That means I like to plop this on and I like to go and mind my own business. So this wig is definitely going to let you do all of that, girl. Here is the price right here. I'll link a link down below if you want to get you some. I like the length of this wig. I'm really living for the super effortless vibe. My only con is this weird curl pattern situation here, but I think that you can definitely fix that with a little mousse. I could go in with some more, but I'm not. This is what the wig looks like from the side. Ow. From the other side. Girl, I heard my body bending, like turning all around like that. And this is it from the back. Cute little Shirley Temple bop. I'm not gonna lie to you right now. I feel like I got somewhere to be, but really, I'm just gonna go sit in my room couch. I have her in the color DR2 Blonde Hazel Mix. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. You know, I do love an outre wig, girl. It has golden honey, cinnamon spice, brown sugar. So, you know, a nice little mix. I think it has a little bit of give. It definitely comes all the way down on me. Here. Where the little tabs are, and then this is the hairline. That's a really good hairline for a wig, especially for a beginner wig. Like, oh my gosh, this is what I'm talking about, girl. Y'all know I ain't got no hair, so, but I really like pop and goes. I love simple, 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 simple. I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied. My pros for this wig would definitely be the length. I really love how short it is. This is perfect for a little grab, snatch her up real quick and run to the store or wherever you need to go and then bring it back home and sit it on down. I also like that there's really no tangling. Now some people did say that they have shedding with theirs. I did not with mine. I didn't get that. But yeah, this is how it's looking on me. I'm going to adjust the wig because I know that you guys like that. But if you guys were wanting a wig that you could wear on either side part wise. It's probably not this one. I would say it's the Nikita wig, which I'll link up here. You should go check that out, because when you twist the wig, girl, now you gonna have a whole new style. You gonna be trendsetting. You gonna be starting something new, because that's definitely not how it's designed to be worn. Like, this is what I feel like when y'all be asking me that sometimes. It's like, no, girl, that's why I didn't show it to you that way, boo. If I thought you could pull it off that way, I'd tell you. Cute. She's really, really cute. I really have minimal cons, a lot of pros for this wig. I think this is a beginner-friendly win for all of us. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me and catching this video live. As always, Tribe Squad, it's been such a good time. Now, honey, I know I am giving you lashes in this video, girl. These are called Oh Baby. I ordered these lashes, and I will have a link down in the description box. This is just me telling you about my lashes, girl. If you like them and they are cute, you're going to want to order you some. This is a little box that they came in. It is from Sprinkles of Danny. She's a really good friend of mine on Instagram, and she's also here on the YouTube platform, so make sure you guys check her out. If you want to order you some, down there below is a really good way to just go ahead and support her. Like I said, I'm not getting anything for doing this. I'm just genuinely telling you guys about how much I love these lashes. I do plan on telling you about the other lashes that I ordered, but if you want to know about the other ones, you'll have to keep on coming back. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Once you're done watching, check out my homegirl, Ivy D. Her channel will be linked right after mine so that you can catch her video. And I'll also link it in the comment section, and a playlist of beginner-friendly wigs if you want to know more about other wigs like this one. Make sure you keep on watching. I post every Thursday and Sunday at 6, so I will see you guys then. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.